How to unblock someone on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Here, click on your profile at the top left. Then, click on the gear icon at the top right. Here, scroll down and search for blocked users. After you find blocked users, click on block users. Here you'll find all the people you have blocked. Now to unblock them, click on the cross icon at the right side. Click on yes, are you sure you want to unblock? And after you do this, they will be unblocked. And this is how to unblock someone on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.